tell where the back. Whoa! Oops, better untangle myself. Neat little spot for if you wanted to get shade or whatever. Middle of the prairie. This must be the place. "3,100 acres of nature." This ought to be pretty cool. Might as well read these plaques. Don't like seeing my shadow like that, but ain't much you can do about it. All right, let's go up the tower. Long ways up there for my old legs. Pretty good view from up here. It's not quite migration season yet, but when it is, I'm sure there's a lot of waterfowl around this area. Trail's nice and dry today. Still a lot of wildflowers blooming. Pretty decent boardwalk. Good and flat. The boards are all even and stuff. Another plaque with plenty of information on it. The grass and plants sure are tall along here. I think there's another parking area down here a ways. That's pretty cool. Might as well walk out onto the dock. More information. This is a bit overgrown. Well, let's head back and get the car and bike. Go down to that other area. Alright, back on the bike.
Smoother on the side patches, but the weeds smacked it. It's early fall, but there's a few leaves on the ground.
This is good exercise. It's wearing me out. Standing on the pedals most of the time. Might as well go a little bit faster out here in the open.
I'll be damned. I don't see a thing that says you are here. Well, I'll be darned. I think I'm pretty well lost. Well, we'll just keep going, see where we end up. Well, there it is. The little green spot is where I am.
Here we are, out in the open again. Good place to put it in top gear, but it's just too darn rough.
Well, we might as well go check this pavilion out. We're right here. Pass. Now let's check out this pavilion. Kind of rustic. Good place to take a break. Wish I had a bottle of water with me. I had one, but I used it up already. I don't know where that path goes. That's a very small path.
This is kind of a neat little spot for if you wanted to get shade or whatever. Out in the middle of the prairie. Never want to stop exploring just because you get a little old. Well, there's a ledge there. I could get the bike up on there. Lift it up on there. There we go. Same thing here. Drop off. Might as well see where it goes. Go all the way. Apparently this is another spot where you can start from. All the maps and stuff. Hell yeah. History of it. Take some pictures. If I packed lunch, there'd be a good place to eat, wouldn't it? Back here pretty far. Sure, shorts warming up pretty good. Still rusty and overgrown. Getting where you kind of hard to tell where the fat. Just had to stop and get my phone. Fell off the holder. Better get a better holder, huh? This trail is so rough. Looking at that map, I can get back across the creek if I keep going straight. Oops, better untangle myself with the brush. Well, if I wanted to take a break, there's a good log to sit on. We'll keep on going. There's the creek. Hope this is the way back. If not, I'm lost. That was a long ways. Boy, I'm wore out. This is a long stretch if I remember right. Man, I'm sure glad I got an e-bike. You'd have to be really young and fit to go back there with the regular bike.